Hello everyone, welcome to Social Study class. Today I am going to teach you a class 3rd, chapter 3rd. Class 3rd, chapter 3rd. The name of chapter is The Earth and Its Neighbor. Today's topic is The Earth and Its Neighbor. We already studied about the Earth in 1st and 2nd chapter also. But now today's we are going to study about neighbor of the earth. Neighbor. Neighbor means, what is in my neighbor? Neighbors means it is the people who stay nearby, means nearest. Okay, nearest. We have also neighbor. Okay, so today we are going to study about the earth neighbor. Okay, so I request you to please be concentrate, take out pencil copies and please write down the important notes and meanings. Okay, and which activity which I was last time give you, please do compulsory. Okay, do properly. And today also I'll give you homework. Do at home, write down and copy well. Okay, so this is our topic, the earth and its neighbor. So now move towards contents. Okay, today's contents. So listen carefully. Our today's contents are about earth, solar system, moon, asteroids and comets. About earth, as you all know that earth is our planet, our home. We know little bit about earth, we studied before. So solar system, I'll tell you today. Okay, solar system, all the planet move around the sun. All the sun's neighbors and suns are the solar system. Okay, moon. Have you seen moon at night? Why not? So today we are going to study about moon also. Another one is asteroids and comets. So what is in the asteroids and comets? In solar system there are 8 planets, but we seen that there are dust particles, rocks, metals also there. These are the asteroid and comets. Okay, so today we are going to study asteroid and comets also. Comets. Okay, so clear, today's contents are about earth, solar system, moon and asteroids and comets. Be concentrate, listen carefully. Okay, I'll teach you slowly one by one. Okay, so another one is hard words and their meaning. These all are hard words which is extract from this chapter, the earth and its neighbor. Listen carefully and copy down also. This is most important for you all. Okay, so neighbors, I already told you neighbors is the nearest. Neighbors means nearest. It is the persons who live nearby or something who live nearby. Okay, Another one is dwarf, a person who is much smaller than a usual size. A person who is much smaller than a usual size. Usual size means usual, common, much smaller than a common size is a draft. Okay, shining. Another one is shining. SHINING means reflecting bright light. Reflecting bright light. Bright. Sunshine. Understood? Sun reflect light. Orbit. I already told you in last class also. Orbit means a path in which the planets move around the sun. Orbit is a path, it is a way to move around the sun. All the planets of the solar system move in own orbit. Earth move in own orbit, Jupiter move in own orbit, all planets move in own orbit, own path. The path in which the planet move around the sun. Okay, this orbit, solar system. Another one is solar system, the sun and all the smallest object. The sun and all the neighbors of the sun, smallest object. Okay, satellite. Another one is satellite. SATELLITE, satellite. Okay, a artificial body that moves around the planets. Satellite is a artificial, means made by human being. Okay, we have natural satellite also, but we found artificial satellite also. Okay, satellite is a body that moves around the planet. Okay, another one is asteroid. I already told you asteroid is a piece of rocks and metals in the solar system. In solar system there are 8 planets. Not only that, there are many dust particles, many rocks, many metals also. So these are called into asteroid. And comet means mass of ice, dust and rocky particles. Mass of ice means comets means its weight of ice. Ice, you know ice? Yes, we use in summer season ice. Mass of ice, dust and rocky particles. These all are asteroid and comets. Understood about asteroid and comet? Okay. So, look at the picture. This is our solar system. Solar system. So, what is solar system? I'll explain you. You all picture seen in the screen. These all are solar system. All are solar system. Solar means it's related to sun. The sun. Look at the picture carefully. At first you see yellow big ball. Half. We seen only half. This is the sun. Okay. So, in first what we see? Mercury. It is the smallest. It is a first planet. The sun and all are planets. Okay. And next one is, second one is Venus. Venus. Look at the picture carefully, okay? Second one is Venus. And third one is Earth. On where we live. We live on Earth. So where are we? We are in surface of the Earth. Okay. So another one is Mars. How Mars look like? It's small, look like a ball. And another one is comets and asteroids is also there. See carefully. The others from planet, the dust particles, rocks, metals. Look at the picture. Here is small dot like rocks. These are asteroids and comets. Look at there. Comet is like a dust particles is there. Asteroid and comets is also there. After Mars, what we see? Jupiter. 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 These all are planet. There are 8 planets in the solar system. But we see here 9 planets. After Jupiter, Saturn, after Saturn, Uranus, and after Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto, last one is Pluto. So Pluto we did not count now because it is a dark planet now. Look at carefully. Pluto is I already told you the meaning of dwarf. So Pluto is a much smaller than the other planet. That's why we did not count in a planet. It is a dwarf planet. Okay. So Pluto is a dwarf planet, so we did not count in a solar system. But we have Pluto also. There are 8 planets in the solar system. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Neptune is a last. Neptune is so far from the sun. Mercury is in first. So Mercury is what? Neptune is so far. Mercury is much closer to the sun. It is in first orbit. Okay. So I'll explain you each and every planet, how to rotate, what time take to rotate. Okay. So these all are solar system. Okay, listen carefully. I'll repeat once. The sun. Have you seen? The sun, and all are planets, and we have asteroids and comets also. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is a solar system. And we seen Pluto also. Pluto is a dwarf planet because it's too much smaller than the usual size. Compared to others, it's too smaller, na? So Pluto is a dwarf planet. Okay. And comets and asteroids are the dust particles, metals, rocks which were found in the solar system. And ice. Okay. So this is all about solar system. Move forward. Okay. So listen carefully about solar system. Our another subtopic is about solar system. Okay, we already seen the picture of solar system. Now I'll tell you what is solar system. Solar means off or from the sun. Solar means off or from the sun. We seen solar light, solar cooker we use in day-to-day life because its effects is made by solar means sun. Okay, solar means of or from the sun. The solar system include the sun, the 8 planets and all the other smaller objects that move around it. I already told you solar system include not only sun and other planets. It includes all the other small objects that move around the sun. What is the small object that move around the sun? That is asteroid and comet. The sun is a center of the solar system. I already told you. Sun is in center of the solar system and all the planets move around the solar system. Okay? So, all the planets including the earth move around the sun in their fixed path that called orbit. All the planets move around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Okay, all these planets do not have a light of their own. All the planets do not have their light of their own. Because of that, they use light from sun. Because of sunlight only, we think that day will come, night will come. Okay, so they get light from the sun. All these planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the sun. The 8 planets in the solar system are, what are they? I already told you. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all are 8 planets, okay, of the solar system. Understood? I'll repeat once. Solar means of or from the sun. The solar includes the sun. The solar system includes the sun and the 8 planets and all the small objects around the sun. These all are solar system. The sun and all the neighbors of the sun are the solar system. Not only planets, all asteroid, comet are all the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. The sun is in center and all the other planets move around the sun. Okay? All the planets including the earth move around the sun in their fixed orbit. All the planets move around the sun in a fixed path. I already told you. All these planets do not have their light on. They get light from sun. Okay. So the 8 planets in the solar system are, what are they? Can you tell me? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all are 8 planets in the solar system. So are you clear with solar system? Okay, move towards another subtopic. Okay. So our another topic is Mercury. Okay, Mercury is a planet of the solar system. Okay, listen carefully, look at the picture. Here is a picture of Mercury. This is a Mercury. Okay, so Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. We already seen in the solar system picture, Mercury is in first and Mercury is a small planet compared with other. So it is the closest planet to the sun, but it's actually not a hottest. Mercury is in first, that's why Mercury orbit first around the sun. Mercury move around the front. Mercury is the first planet to move around the sun. So it is the closest to the sun, but it is not hottest. Actually it is not hottest. You know hottest? Hot. Okay, its orbit period is 88 days. 88 days. Only 88 days. Orbit period, that means revolution around the sun. Mercury takes 88 days to move around the sun. Mercury takes only 88 days to move around the sun to complete one round. 88 days. Last time we studied that Earth take 365 days. 1 year, 365 days. But Mercury take only 88 days. Understood? So distance from sun. Distance from sun, 57.91 million kilometer. Not only kilometer, million kilometer. Okay, distance from the sun. Do you know the distance? Is closest planet, but its distance is 57.91 million kilometer. The color of Mercury is just texture of grey. Look at the picture, it is in grey color. Okay, the color of Mercury is grey. Understood about Mercury? Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the sun, but it's actually not a hottest. Okay, its orbit period is 88 days. Distance from the sun, 57.91 million kilometer. Okay, the color of Mercury is just texture of grey. The color of Mercury is grey. Okay, it is all about Mercury. So let's move forward. So our another one is Venus. Venus is a planet. It is a second planet. First is Mercury. Okay, so let's discuss about Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the second planet from the sun. First is Mercury. Okay, so it is the second brightest natural object in the sky after the moon. Venus is the second brightest natural object. It's a natural object. Second brightest natural object after the moon. The first is a moon. second is Venus. Okay, so Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. In the first it is Mercury, but Mercury actually is not hottest, but Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Solar system in all. Okay, Venus is the hottest planet, and its orbit period is 225 days. It takes 225 days to complete one orbit around the sun. Okay, so distance from the sun, it takes 108.2 million kilometer. How much distance from the sun? Venus is 108.2 million kilometer. Okay, so the color of Venus is yellowish white. It's little bit yellow and white. Look at the picture. You are familiar with this picture. This is the picture of Venus. Venus is in yellowish white. Clear? Okay, I'll explain you again. Venus is the second planet from the sun. We already seen in the solar system picture. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the second brightest natural object after the moon. Okay, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Hottest planet is the Venus, and it takes 225 days to complete one orbit. It has distance 108.2 million kilometer from the sun. The color of Venus is yellowish white. Okay, so this is all about Venus. Okay, understood? So let's move towards third planet. Okay, so our another planet is Earth. Earth. As you all know that we are studying from the first chapter about Earth and its solar system. So we are much familiar with the Earth. Earth is the planet on which we will live. So we know about the Earth. No need to explain one by one about the Earth, but I'll explain. Listen carefully. Okay? See, look at the picture here. Here is a picture of Earth, our planet. The third nearest planet to the sun. The third. Mercury is first, second is Venus, and third is Earth. Understood? In size, it is the fifth largest planet. In size, nearest to the sun, third, but in size, it is fifth largest planet. Okay, it is slightly flattened from the pole. I already told you at the pole, in the North Pole and South Pole, it is little flattened, and at the middle, little bend outward. That's why it is in spherical shape. So it is also known as blue planet or light planet. Obviously, it is known as blue planet because 70% are water available in the earth, only 30% land is here. So We found natural resources here, air, water, forest, all animals, all things. That's why our life is possible here. The earth is neither too hot or not too cold. The earth is neither too hot. If it's too hot our planet, then we will die. Or not too cold. If it's too cold, it is not possible to live living things. Okay, so earth is neither too hot and neither too cold. Okay, distance from the sun 149.60 million kilometer. 149.60 million kilometer, because it is the third nearest planet. Okay, as you all know that it takes 365 days to rotate around the sun. Okay, the color of earth is blue. The color of earth is blue, we already know. Because of that we called blue planet also, because 3/4 70% water available in the earth. Okay, because of that our earth is in blue planet. Okay, so this is all about earth. I know you all are familiar with our planet. I already explained you before also, that's why I'll explain little fast. Okay, so let's move to another planet. Okay. So another one is Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Okay, so this is a planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth and fourth is Mars. It is the fourth planet from the sun. Okay, it is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Second smallest planet. That means which is first? I already told you. The first smallest planet is Mercury and second is Mars. Okay, so Mars is also known as a red planet because it is in red color. Look at the picture. It is the picture of Mars. It is also known as red planet. Its orbit period is 687 days. It takes 687 days to rotate because it is little far from the sun. Okay, as compared to other third planet. Okay, so Mars is also known as red planet. Its orbit period is 687 days. It completes one revolution in 687 days. Okay, so distance from the sun 228 million kilometer. 228. Distance from the sun 228 million kilometer. And Mars have 2 moons. Do you know the moons? We have 1 moon. Our Earth have 1 moon. Like that, Mars have 2 moon. Okay. So listen carefully. I'll repeat once. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It is a 4th planet from the sun. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. I already told you. First is Mercury is first and second is Mars. Mars is also known as red planet because it is in red color. Orbit period is 687 days. Distance from the sun is 228 million kilometer. not only kilometer, 228 million kilometer. Okay, Mars have 2 moons. Understood? So this is all about Mars. Let's move towards another subtopic. Okay. So look at the picture. What is this? It is a Jupiter. Okay. Jupiter, how it's look like? Okay, listen. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. Jupiter is a 5th planet from the Sun. We already studied about the 4th planet just before. So now we are going to study about Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Have you seen in when I was shown you picture of solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It's too big. Okay, it is the 5th planet from the Sun and it's our largest planet. So its orbit period, it takes 12 years. It takes 12 years to complete one revolution. To complete one orbit around the Sun, it takes 12 years. Our Earth take only 1 year, 365 days. But Jupiter take 12 years because it's too far from Sun. Its distance from the Sun is 778.5 million kilometers. Distance from the Sun is 778.5 kilometers. Okay? So Jupiter has more than 75 moons. How many? More than 75. Our Earth has only 1 moon, but Jupiter has more than 75 because Jupiter is the biggest planet, it's the largest planet. Okay. So listen, I'll explain you again. Look at the picture. It is a Jupiter. It is the 5th planet from the Sun. It is a 5th planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. And it takes 12 years to complete one revolution. Okay, so distance from the Sun, it's 778.5 far from the Sun. 778.5 million kilometer far from the Sun. It is a distance. Jupiter has more than 75 moons. It has more than 75 moons. So clear? So this is all about Jupiter. Let's move to another planet, okay? So another is Saturn. Look at the picture. This is a Saturn. Okay. So Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It is a 6th planet from the Sun. 6th planet from the Sun. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. First largest is Jupiter. We studied just before. Second one is Saturn. Okay. So its orbit period is 29 years. Its orbit period is 29 years. Our Earth take only 1 year to rotate. Saturn takes 29 years to take one revolution. To complete one revolution, it's too far from as compared to Earth. Too far from Sun. Okay. So distance from the sun is 1.4 billion kilometer, not only million, it's billion kilometer. It's 1.4 billion kilometer far from the sun. Okay, Saturn has ring. Look at the picture. Saturn is in colorful. Saturn has ring. It's made of dust, particles and ice at its surface. Okay, Saturn rings made of dust particles and ice. Saturn has 82 moons. 82 moons. Our Earth has only one moon, but Saturn has 82 moons. 82. It is the second largest planet. So listen, I'll recall once. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is the second largest planet. Clear? First is Jupiter. So it takes 29 years to one revolutions to complete one round around the sun. It has more than 82 moons. That means more than Jupiter. Okay, so Saturn's distance from the Sun is 1.4 billion kilometer, not only million, 1.4 billion kilometer. Okay, Saturn has a ring. It is made up of dust particles, ice. Okay, it's covered in a surface. It's in a surface of the Saturn. So this is all about Saturn. Hope you are clear. Look at the picture. Okay, so this is Saturn. So now move towards another planet. Okay, so another one is Uranus. Uranus, look at the picture. It's a picture of Uranus. It is also a planet. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is the seventh planet. We already studied before about the sixth planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So now we are going to study about Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the third largest of the solar system. First is Jupiter, second is Saturn, and third is Uranus. It is the third largest in the solar system. Its orbit period is 84 years. Not a days, 84 years. Because it is too far from the Sun. Okay, so distance from the Sun 2.9 billion kilometer. 2.9 billion kilometer far from the Sun. Uranus takes 17 hours to rotate once. Uranus takes only 17 hours to rotate one. I already told you about rotation and revolution. Rotation means complete one rotate of a planet. Revolution means complete one round around the sun. Okay, so Uranus take only 17 hours to take one rotate. Our Earth take one day, that means 24 hours. So Uranus take only 17 hours. Okay, so it has 27 moons. It also has ring. It has 27 moons. Uranus has 27 moons. Okay, and it also has rings, but not clearly than Saturn. I already told you the ring which is made by dust particle ice. Okay, so Uranus is made of, the Uranus is a planet. It is made of water, methane and ammonia. It is made up of water. You know na, water? It is a liquid substance which we use in drinking, cooking, washing clothes, irrigation, all things. Methane and ammonia, it is a element, name of a element. Okay, it is a name of a elements. You will read about this in a higher classes. Okay, so I'll explain you again. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Seventh planet from the sun. It is the third largest in the solar system. It is a third largest in the solar system. Its orbit period is 84 years. Oh, sorry. Years, 84 years, not days. Okay. Distance from the sun, 2.9 billion kilometers. Uranus is a 2.9 billion kilometers far from the sun. It has 27 moons. It also has rings, but not visible clearly. Okay, Uranus is made up of water, methane and ammonia. It is a name of elements. Okay, so this is all about Uranus. So move towards another planet. Okay. So look at the picture. This is a Neptune. What is this? This is a Neptune. We already studied about the seventh planet. So this is a last planet. Okay. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest known planet from the sun in the solar system. Neptune is the too much farthest planet from the sun. It is the eighth planet of the solar system. It is the eighth planet of the solar system. Okay. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. Its orbit period is 165 years. 165 years. Because it is too far from the sun. That's why it takes too much years. Okay. 165 years. Neptune take 165 years to complete one round around the sun. Revolution. Okay, distance from the sun 4.4 billion kilometer. 4.4 billion kilometer. $4.4 billion kilometer far from the sun, because Neptune is in 8th orbit. Okay, so Neptune is very similar to Uranus. You see just before the picture of Uranus and can compare to Neptune. It is similar to Uranus. It is made up of water, ammonia and methane. I already told you it is the name of an element. Neptune is also made up of water, ammonia and methane. Okay. Neptune has also a ring like Uranus and Saturn has. And Neptune has 14 moons. How many moons have Neptune? Neptune have 14 moons. Okay, I'll explain you again. Listen carefully. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is farthest. We already clear in the picture when I saw the picture of solar system. At that time we see at last Neptune is in last orbit. After that Pluto, but Pluto is a dark planet, we cannot count, so Neptune is a last. Okay, it is the 4th largest planet in the solar system. Its orbit period is 165 years. It takes 165 years to complete one revolution. Neptune is 4.4 billion kilometers far from the Sun. It is too much farthest from the Sun. It is made of water, ammonia and methane. It is made of water, ammonia and methane. It is a name of an element. Don't be confused. Okay. Neptune also has ring, has 6 fins. Means it is made of a dust particle. It's little layer like a rings. It has 6 layer. Okay. So Neptune has 14 moons. How many moons Neptune has? It has 14 moons. Clear? So this is all about our planet. Let's move to our another subtopic. So our another subtopic is moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Have you seen moon? If you have not seen moon, then come out from your home at night and see at the sky. Look at the picture. It is a moon. Okay. So I'll tell you about moon. Listen carefully. Okay. Moon is a natural satellite. It is a natural satellite. That means not made by us, not made by human being. It is a natural. It is the 5th largest satellite in the solar system. It is a 5th largest satellite in the solar system. We already know 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th largest, but 5th largest is a moon. It is the satellite of the earth. We have one moon. Our earth has one moon. It is our satellite. It gives light at night. Okay? The diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. The diameter is only 1/4, 1/4 of the earth. Okay? It appears big because it is nearest to the earth. We see moon. It appears big. We see big because it is nearest to our planet. It is nearest to our earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. That means the distance of moon from us is 3,84,400 kilometers. Only kilometer, not million, billion, kilometer. Okay, 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. It moves around the earth in about 27 days. It moves around the earth in about 27 days. It completes one revolution in 27 days. It moves around the earth. Moon move around the earth. it complete one round in 27 days. Okay, it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. It takes exactly same time to complete one spin. You know spin? Sometime we see half moon, sometime we see little bit, sometime we see full moon. It takes exactly 27 days to complete one spin also. This is phases of the moon. I'll explain you later. Okay. So today moon and spin. I'll tell you about spin also. Spin. We see some day half moon. After that we see little half. We see sometimes we see small moon in a U shape. These all are phases of the moon. Okay. So it takes like 27 days to complete one spin. Okay. So I'll explain you again. Listen carefully. Moon is a natural satellite. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. It is the fifth largest and it is a natural satellite. Okay. So its diameter is only 1/4 of our Earth. It appears big because it is nearest to the Earth. It is nearest to our planet. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from Earth. Away from us, it's about 3,84,400 kilometers. It moves around the Earth in 27 days and it exactly completes the same spin on 27 days. Okay, this is all about moon. So let's move towards another subtopic. Okay. So our another subtopic is asteroids and comets. I saw you just before the picture of solar system. At that time we see not only planets, we see other things also in a solar system. These all are asteroids and comets. Okay, they are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. Look at the picture. This is a asteroid. They are small in size which also move around the sun. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Clear? We saw little type like rocks on the orbit of Mars and Jupiter just before. Asteroid comes in a variety of shapes. Asteroid shape comes in a variety of shapes. Have you seen the size of rocks? We see size of rocks in different shape. So many shape. Like this, asteroids have different shape and size also. Some are solid body while others are smaller. Some are small and some are big. Okay. So a comet is a mass of ice. A comet is a mass of, it is a wet ice. It is type of ice. Okay. Dust and rocky particles with long tail. We see comets just before in a solar system picture like little bit long comets. Dot particles. It's made up of ice and it also has long tail. Because comets is long, because of that we call that long tail. Okay. Listen carefully. Asteroids and comets. These all are rocks, metals. It's in tiny particles dust, ice, this all which we are found in the solar system, this is the asteroids and comets. It also move around the sun. We found in the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Okay, so this is all about asteroids and comets. So today's class, this is all about the Earth and its neighbor solar system. We study all the planets today, from Mercury up to Neptune and Pluto also. So now we finished our class. Let's move to our activity. Okay. So this is a activity. I'll tell you the questions and I'll ask you questions. You should tell the answer properly. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The dash is the center of the solar system. It's too easy. Dash is the center of the solar system and all the planets move around it. What is it? It is the sun. Yes. It is the sun is the center of the solar system. The earth moves around the sun in its fixed dash. The earth moves, not only earth, all the planet move around the fixed what? Fixed path. Means fixed orbit. Okay, the earth move around the sun in its fixed orbit. Another one is the dash is the earth nearest neighbor. The dash is the earth nearest neighbor. What is the nearest neighbor? Jupiter or what? Which planet? No, the earth nearest neighbor is moon, because it is nearest to us than other planet. The moon is the earth nearest neighbor, not other planet. Okay, the nearest neighbor, our nearest neighbor is a moon. Okay, planets have no dash of their own. Planets have no dash. What planets? Planets have no dash of their own. What is the answer? They don't have what? They don't have light of their own. They don't have light. They use from sun or either moon. Okay, so this is the fill in the blanks. So another is one questions, but I tell you I ask you questions only. You should write answer of your own in your notebook. Okay, name the 8 planets. Name the 8 planets. You should write your own answer. I didn't tell you the answer. Okay, name the 8 planets. 1 to 8. Write down. Okay. So copy this all. Finished. This is the activity. And let's move towards another activity. Okay. So I'll tell you again. Write properly. Okay, so do homework. This is your homework. Name the 8 planets. Write down the name of the 8 planets. Okay, so let's move to another activity. So our another activity is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Choose. Okay, here I give option. Question number 1. The sun is not dash. The sun is Not what? Option are hot, a planet, a star, a big ball of fire. The sun is not a planet. Okay. Question number 2. Planets revolve around the dash. All the planets revolve around the option are Sun, Earth, Moon, Jupiter. What is the answer? The answer is planets revolve around the Sun. The Sun is in center. All the planets revolve around the Sun. Another one is dash is the hottest planet. Dash is the hottest planet. What is the hottest planet? Option are Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter. Dash is the hottest planet. Which is the hottest planet? Yes, the correct answer is Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Okay. So last one is, which of this is Earth natural satellite? Earth natural satellite, that means not made by man. Option are comet, sun, moon and asteroid. These all are option. So which of these is the Earth natural satellite? Natural satellite is a moon. Understood? Clear? This is the activity 2. Hope you all enjoy this class and understood properly. Okay? So, which the homework I'll give. Please do that in your home. Okay? So, this is all about today's class.